In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and edit pages on Wix. We'll work inside the Wix website editor and use the Pages panel as our central hub for everything. Once your site is open in the editor, click the highlighted Pages icon on the left. This opens your Site Pages panel, where you'll manage what appears in your navigation, add new pages, and jump between sections to edit content. Start by opening the Blog Pages area. Here, you'll see your blog's main list page and the individual post layout. Edits you make to the post layout apply to every blog post, which keeps your design consistent. Next, open Dynamic Pages. These are database-driven pages that reuse one design for many items, like product profiles or team members. It's great for scaling your site without redesigning each page. Check the pop-ups section to review any site-wide or page-specific pop-ups. You can toggle them on or off and edit their timing and design to avoid overwhelming visitors. Now, visit the Site menu. Clicking a page in this list switches your editing context. Select Contact to make quick changes to your contact form and details. Switch over to the Home page to adjust the Hero section or update your call to action. Jump to the Technology page to edit category or service information. Then back to Contact if you need to refine your form design or add a map. When you're ready to expand your site, click Add Page. You'll see a set of ready-made page options. Choose About to tell your story, Services to outline offerings, Projects to showcase work, or another contact page if you want a specialized contact flow. Open the General category to add a focused landing page for campaigns or a 404 error page, so visitors who hit a broken link still see an on-brand message and a path back home. Explore app-powered pages too. Store adds a shop with product pages and a cart. Bookings enables online scheduling. Restaurants provides menus and ordering. Blog adds a complete blogging system if you haven't set it up already. Pricing Plans helps you sell memberships or subscriptions. Revisit Dynamic Pages. Anytime you want scalable, data-driven layouts. Before you publish, click the highlighted Save control to capture your changes. Then click Publish to push everything live. If you're prompted, type in the highlighted field to confirm or label your update so you can track what changed. That's it. You now know how to navigate the Pages panel, work with blog and dynamic content, manage pop-ups, organize your menu, add new pages, and publish confidently.